And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a simple anaglyphic 3D text effect in Illustrator. You can use the same colors that I use here by simply copying the hex code. And we've got a simple black color. It's by default the black in Illustrator. Let us use the type tool and type in some random text. I'll use Ray Bold, the bold version of this font. And I'll center it properly. Then go to edit, copy, and once more edit, paste in place. Now use the eyedropper tool, press I for that, give it this turquoise color, and then use the arrow keys to move it to the left. Right click, arrange, and send to back. Once more, select the black text, go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Then move it to the right, use the eyedropper tool I and give it this pink color, arrange, send backward. And here is our anaglyphic text done in Illustrator. You can group it if you want to. Just go to Object and there you'll find Group, or press Ctrl G, and it looks like a 3D text effect. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.